Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to turn on dark mode on Gmail. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. I'm going to turn on the dark mode on my Android device. You can do this on your iOS as well. Tap open your Gmail application from your app drawer and sign into your account if necessary. Once you are logged in, go to the hamburger menu at the top left corner. This will open up an expanded menu. Scroll all the way down until you find Settings and tap on the Settings option. Now, go to General Settings from this page. At the top of the screen, you'll be able to see a theme button popping out. Tap it on and select Dark from the display. Soon after you do that, you have successfully changed your Gmail to dark mode. It's quite simple, isn't it? That is how you can easily set your Gmail application on dark mode on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.